Yeah. So my 9.5 Impala SS. Had it for a minute. Did a bunch of upgrades to it. Mostly through the suspension underneath, performance of the engine. I bought it actually with this D-boy candy paint, as my wife called it. Had some 20-inch rims on it. But I sold it, got it back. It's been sitting out for a couple of years, just sitting on a lot. You know, I neglected it. Been running around, doing a bunch of other stuff. Actually flipped a couple of other cars, so I was using the space. But need a lot of TLC. It's been neglected. It's been ran hard. It's got too much damn paint on it. It was original DGGM, and somebody put the chameleon flip purple green paint on it. Then after that, D-boy candy red. And it's funny because when I drive this car back in 08, 09, back then, just moving around in it, man, I'd always get pulled over. I ain't gonna even lie to you. That candy paint, it was just that time. But, you know, ain't really me anyway. Like I said, I got rid of it right before I was gonna take it to where I wanted to go with it. Was thinking about taking it back stock. I decided now, I think we're just gonna take it, gonna black it all the way out. You know, source some parts as we go. See how we get. You know, a few billet inserts here and there. Insulation. Carpet's coming up this week. Just got it home. It's been home maybe about a week or so. And it's been wore out. It's dirty, it's filthy. Cat was living under the hood. There was feathers and cat hair and shit all under here. Like I say, we're gonna get together. So yeah, candy is peeling down right there. We'll have her righteous before too long. You know, I'll post more video as I do more work. Tell me what y'all think as I move along. I know some of y'all out there could build an engine while you eating breakfast. Throw me some tips. Peace.